how to request money using Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to collect payment from someone in fast and simple manner, well, in today's video I'll show you how to request money using Wise in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the home screen or the request button, and there you can also find this option inside any currency balance you have opened, and here you can try enter amount and choose the currency that you want to get paid in, and add a note like dinner share or freelance invoice. And next you can enter the email, phone number, or select a saved contact from your Wise address book. And now you can just tap send request, and Wise will instantly send them a secure payment link, and they don't need a Wise account, and they can pay using a bank transfer card or Apple Pay. And there you need to always double check the recipient contact info and only request from people you trust. And that's it. That's how you can send a money request in the smart way with zero awkward chasing and no hidden fees with a real exchange rate. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.